Hi, Core. It is Wednesday, so this hangout at 11:30. Come on by and just hang out. I don't have a specific plan, but definitely come connect with friends. We can get a digital field trip going. Last week, nobody came by, but 2 weeks ago, it was great. We went to Great America. We had a lot of fun. So definitely come on by. Plan on coming by this week, 11:30 to 12:30 on Google Hangouts. It's already posted on Classroom and on your calendar options on Google. I did want to touch base about something. There's been some changes, obviously, floating around in the grade book. We got an update yesterday at our staff meeting, and I told you guys I would send you updates as soon as I knew them. No update on graduation yet. I'm going to put that out there right now. But there was an update on how we're going to be doing for grades for things. So for core, you're going to have 5 grades for 5 of the weeks that we were out. I was going to say the 5 weeks that we were out, but that's not quite accurate. So we're starting from the week of April 20th, and then it goes through the week that ends May 22nd. So those are the 5 weeks that we're looking at in question for these assignments. Here's what I did. For last week, or for 2 weeks ago, for April 20th, there'd been the survey out there that was really generic. I just counted that. If you did it, you got credit. If you didn't do it, it's excused. Every assignment you do for core class is worth up to 2 percentage points. And so that's how that works. That can have a huge impact on your grade. 2 percentage points is like, hundreds of points in our regular point system. So it's a very, very good thing. A little confusing. I posted a different survey for last week, from last week, Wednesday, the 29th. And then that's what the surveys are going to look like. They're called Core Check-In going forward. So there was one from last Wednesday. There was one that was posted this morning. They come out at midnight on Wednesday because Wednesdays are our regular core day during distance learning. So there's one that came out at midnight this morning, and then they'll come out at midnight next week, and then the week after that on May 20th. Pretty simple the way that they are laid out. You'll go ahead and click on it, and then it's just 3 questions in a pass-fail format on a Google form. It also shuffles the questions, so they may or may not be in the same order week to week, but it's the same questions. I just remind you guys that I've asked you to try to spend some time outside, spend some time reading, and then I've been sharing those videos of Nightly News Kids Edition. Because it's pass-fail, technically you could answer 2 questions and pass. I'm just going to throw that out there. I would like you to do all 3. That's definitely better for you. But I mean, in theory, you could do 1. So I'm going to go ahead and just do my version of the survey for this week. What did I do outside this week? I barbecued twice over the weekend. I think I've mentioned that previously. What am I reading? Creatively Teach Common Core Literacy Standards with Technology by Catlin Tucker. Mentioned this in yesterday's vlog. I am still reading it, so I'll go ahead and put that out there as that's what I'm reading. I also read the newspaper, the Chicago Tribune, a lot of days. And then one thing that I learned from watching NBC Nightly News Kids Edition this week. So I just watched the one that came out yesterday, and I learned about how long different germs can actually stay in the air from Dr. John Torres. He talked about how quickly they can fall out, using the examples of like some glitter and then some confetti. I thought that was really interesting. So go ahead and take a look at the video. You can find that out as well. You can't share that fact because I just shared it now, but you could share out something else, and there'll be a new video posted to their page on Thursday and to our Google Classroom on Friday. For last week, it's pretty easy. You can already take a look at those videos. So that's what we're looking at for your assignment for core class. In my science vlog for today, I'm going to clarify how grading is going to look for science classes because there was a lot of questions that came up with that. And I want to clarify that for you and be perfectly honest and clear with it over there. So if you ever have any questions, definitely feel free to reach out, email, message me on Google Hangouts, or drop by during any of the drop-in hours. As I said, we have core class coming up 11:30 to 12:30 today, our regular time. If you wanted to drop in tomorrow, then we're looking at drop-in hours being from 3:30 to 4:30. That's a change for this week only because I have a meeting during our regular drop-in time. So I just want to let you know on all those things. And of course, take care of yourself and each other. Stay safe. Wash your hands. From my house to you, we love you.